What do you think? Yeah. guys, as you can see, I just finished to adjust the afrometer, and now the idle is completely perfect. This car was running very rich, and now it's much better. I still have few sensors to replace, but now the car runs much better. Okay guys, so I adjust this, the airflow meter. As you can see, there is a lot of glue here, so the last owner, or I don't know, someone else modified this. The spring was really soft, and the more softer is the spring, the more fuel you spray into the car, and the car tried to regulate the idle this way, but yeah, it was very difficult because it's an old ECU, and to have the correct calculation for the fuel ratio, yeah, touching this force everything, so that's why I re-put a bit of tension on the spring. I make couple drive off camera, and now it's much better, very smooth to drive, and I see on the instant consumption everything work fine, and it's a bit more economical. So yeah guys, if this type of thing can help you on the diagnosis, if you have like an M30 or an M20 or an engine like that on this type of use, yeah, you can do the same, but I don't recommend to do a lot of clicks, because me, I know I run way too rich. The spring have no resistance at all, so I do step by step, but yeah, be careful when you do that, because you can damage something, so we don't want that, so yeah, be careful with that. And to conclude this video, yeah, this is the new garage. So yeah guys, in the next episode probably you can see the Audi and the BMW around here, or probably here, I don't know. And I hope this type of content can help you guys, and yeah, see you on the next one.
Hi guys, so this is the conclusion of the video. So you can see it's a big change for Vitesse Garage. We've changed from one small little shed into a much bigger place. You probably can't even see the whole size of the place, but you could literally fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10 cars, maybe 10 cars in here. Like it is big. It is big. We need to clear up some of the clutter and organise, but I think this is definitely a big change for us, and no leaking roof.
Yeah, yeah. That's very important. So
yeah,
very dry space. That's very good. So as you can see, a lot of things need to be organized. The E34 is here for now,
yeah.
And yeah, we just do a couple things on the couple things like that. But yeah, a lot of things need to be organized to have a lot of space to work on cars, and then continue on the project we have on this channel. And
yeah, it's great. So really hard to find a place, but we did it thanks to another guy. One of our Polish garage neighbours helped us out from the other side. So now we've a bit of peace. We're away from another garage neighbour. I won't go into detail, but we're in somewhere else now. A lot of space, working cars, no leaking roof, loads of bonus points there. So we're really happy about this. It's a big change.
yeah. And on the next episode, as I said previously, we need to bring the E90 and the Audi.
Yeah.
And here. And
yeah. So
continue
next
what
weekend.
we do every time. So.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.